I'm gonna try an unboxing video, I guess. Because I got some mail today. Bum, ba-da-bum. I don't want to show my information. Sweet. Nice. So I ordered some digital pets, some V-Pets, some Tamagotchi from JapanYouWant.com. And this is my Tama mail. It came with a little card here. Ooh, it's sparkly. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That is pretty. That's nice. I'll leave that there because it's in view. Why not? All right, so I got two things here. They're wrapped up nicely. I do have a implement and some batteries. All right, I'm going to use my screwdriver to open this up here. Ooh, tape. I need to get a taller tripod. This tripod is like, yeah, that tall. So, I gotta get a better one for this kind of stuff. All right, so I got two things. I love how they package everything. It comes in like multiple bags because I would hate to see something left out in the rain and get ruined because the packaging is garbage. So it comes in this bag here. All right, I'm going to show you the, I'm going to put these face down for now. Some more bubble wrap. Fun fact, bubble wrap was originally invented to be a wallpaper. Weird. Awesome. So, first off, I got a Goji wrapper. Yeah, look at that. I just love the artwork on this. I think it's very, very clean, very crisp. I have a similar Tamagotchi shape. It's an alien. It's the Trans X alien. I'm hoping it's going to be similar to that because that is enjoyable. To me, it only lasts like 3 days. Here's the directions. It's in Japanese, and I do not read Japanese quite well yet. I am learning slowly. It's going to go through your food functions, your play, your medicine, book. I guess you can learn. There's some cards involved. Huh. I'm intrigued to try this one out. We will get into this in a moment. I have to, we'll get into it now, but also I want to make sure it works. So we're just going to slide this up and off. All right. The packing list says that it doesn't have a battery. We'll see if it comes with a battery installed. Nope. That was anticlimactic. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to get into this. Yep. All right, this is one where they go in one way and the other. I do want the satisfaction of pulling that tab. Where was that? Down here? Okay, this thing had a freaking tab. Where did it go? It's so hard to see what's going on. Okay, I swear. Oh, it's probably on top, huh? Was the tab? Yep, the tab was on top. Okay. Okay. So the tab sat right there on this because these connections are a necessity. Okay. Okay. This is a killer screw. Longer than normal virtual pet screws. All right, let's look at this Goji wrapper and see if it works. All right, I love this part. Look at that, there's a little egg. I'm trying to get that my light off of there. Nice. Well, we'll let them hang out there for a while I open up my next treat. Next up, I have a second generation P2 Tamagotchi, the Japanese version. I love these packages. I love how colorful they are. It's just so celebratory, and I just adore it. I went with this shell design because I was recently running my English P2, and look at the phone numbers. I was running my English P2, and I got the secret character Zachi. Oh, my egg did it always have like those little feet? Or is it growing? I don't know. But, oh, this is brand new. The tape isn't even disturbed. This is gonna be fun. I have to go grab a little knife here. But yeah, I got the secret character on my English P2 and decided, I found out that there's the guy for this one it's a little dude who rides a bicycle. And I love bikes. I like bikes. Let's see if I can't get this open. Nice and easy, nice and gentle. Some happy little openings here. I don't want to... I'm using a very sharp knife. This is my wood carving knife. So I'm trying to not slice the plastic and just get the tape. There we go. Just like that, nice and easy. My dog was going crazy because of the mailman stopping by. All right, now, inside here, blah, will be the directions. Ooh, smacking things. All right. So this direction card looks a little different than what I'm used to. Whoa. I'll run this through here so you can take a look at it. And the other side. I'll end up going through this and using the Google Translate app with the camera function to find out what this all says. But I'm excited. All right, let's see if I can't get that back together. That's back together good enough. Gonna stick that. I feel like I'm missing a fold. We're just gonna stick that in there like that. That's good enough. Oh, look at that. I was hiding last time. That's cool. I really like that. All right. Now, I'm assuming this one also does not have batteries in it. Let's just look at this shell. It's 1997 Tamagotchi Minata no Sekuasobi must show something? I have no idea. This Tamagotchi feels different. I don't know. It's more like, it's not rubber, but it feels rubbery, I guess. Let's, 1996. Let's see. It has batteries. This one was legit brand new. These batteries are from 1996, guys. 1996 batteries. This is brand new. That is wild. That is wild. I'm gonna move these like that. Yeah. Yeah. That's crazy. Well, these take 5 minutes to evolve. Oh. This one just reset. When I picked it up, it wanted to reset. I know how to fix that. All right, I know what that means. That simply means that these tabs here on this, that means that these tabs aren't connecting well. So you just gotta bend both these sides up a little bit so that it, not a whole lot, but you know, it's springy metal. But you need to bend those up a little bit so that when you, I gotta get this tall ass screw to line up. There you go. Nope. Come on. There. When you get it screwed in and down, like it'll be pushing on those batteries more. That'll be a little tighter of a screw. Bam. All right, I'm not gonna run these right now. I just wanted to see if they worked. I do like that Goji wrapper logo on the top there. It's very crisp. I don't want to pop the batteries out of these for now and let these ride. I will most likely not end up using the batteries that are in the actual Tamagotchi here because they are from 1996 and they will most likely run out quickly. When I got my Santagotchi, I removed the batteries and I saved them, and I saved batteries from another collector's one because they were brand new, you know, they were the original batteries, so I wanted that to be in there. For these screws, now Tamagotchis are notorious for their screws stripping, so you want to apply some pressure and try to turn. This one here turned beautifully. It's a brand new screw, so it should. If you have a screw, I also like to keep my screws in the little plastic part of the container so that way you can get it easier. You don't lose it. If you have a screw that is stuck, doesn't want to turn, instead of stripping it, you can apply a bunch of pressure. I like holding around the outside of the shell. You can apply a bunch of pressure and turn it tighter, just a little bit. And that basically helps the screw to get unstuck from itself. All right, yeah, these are Maxwell's. I want to look at those connectors. Got a little bit of something on there. But everything looks really clean. Really clean. Wow, this is impressive. All right, I'm going to pop these back in. And another thing I do with my Tamagotchis, when I put them into storage, I take the batteries out because you don't want to store Tamagotchis with batteries in, because you can run the risk of corrosion. And when I put my screws in my Tamagotchis in the back, I only go down until they're in and it's holding the back plate on. It's loose, but that way the screws aren't tight, so I can just undo them if I need to. Yeah, second generation. It's a P2. This chain is even like oddly new. I'm stoked. I can't wait to run this. I'll probably run this one the first week of November, I think. I have a lot going on coming up here, so yeah. This has been an unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed. I know I enjoyed getting all these new things. So, and thank you for putting up with the jingle bells of judo wanting to go outside. All right. See you back on the gridiron with some Tecmo.